Ascension News, The Way of Forgiveness. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. It is the practice of putting something to rights, correcting or rectifying an error. In many Polynesian cultures, it is believed that a person's errors are a cause of illness, and it does not really matter whether the error attracts malevolent spirits, as some believe, or the guilt causes sickness. This practice is performed to atone for the error and therefore diminish all karmic repercussions. This is a cleaning practice where we clean ourselves and erase from our consciousness whatever negativity is not working for us. We are expressing the intention that we no longer wish to suffer from a current or past problem. This practice is based on the premise that the only person we can change is ourselves. Step 1 is repentance, which includes being responsible for everything in our hearts and minds, our thoughts, judgments, choices, and feelings about a situation. This step means saying sorry whether our ego accepts responsibility or not. The second step is to ask for forgiveness regardless of the situation. The third step is gratitude, thanking ourselves for being willing to engage in the process, thanking the universe for the healing. The final step is that of love, saying I love you to your body, to your reality, to the universe. This step is saying it and meaning it. So, for the practice, just sit in a comfortable space, open body, open mind. Begin to breathe, a cycle of breath, allowing more light into your body. And calling your team in spirit, your higher self, I am presence, all helpers, guides, and all archangels to support the process. Invoke diamond, white, violet fire also. And coming to yourself, coming back to your own energy, being aware of the cycle of breath. And bringing to mind the person you want to engage in the practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. Call their higher selves to be with them, and just repeat in your own mind to them, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Breathe and surrender everything arising to diamond, white, violet fire. Allowing this fire to clear your energy fields, clearing all layers, levels, dimensions. Allowing more of your own natural light to return, feeling a greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. And then coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And surrendering everything that arises to diamond, white, violet fire. Clearing your energy fields, the mental, emotional, etheric, physical bodies. releasing what needs to be released. Allowing more of your natural light to return, feeling a greater connection to your true essence. Coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And again, surrendering everything to diamond white violet fire. Cleansing and clearing your energy fields, all layers, levels, dimensions. Purging, allowing more of your natural light to return, feeling a greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. Coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Surrender everything to diamond white fire. Purging your field, clearing your energy fields. All layers, all levels, all dimensions. All timelines, clearing back in time, clearing your present, allowing more of your own natural light to return, feeling a greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. Coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Surrendering everything again to diamond white violet fire, cleansing your field, releasing what needs to be released, allowing more of your natural light to return, feeling a greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. Coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Surrender everything to diamond white violet fire. Release and clear your fields. Allow more light to return to you. Feeling again a greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. Coming back to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Finally again, surrendering everything to diamond white violet fire. Cleanse your field. Allow more light to return. Feeling that greater connection to your true essence and the universe around you. Breathing and opening, surrendering, allowing. Thanking this person and their higher selves. Thanking your team in spirit and all beings, archangels supporting the process. And breathe.